We traded IQ option using the advanced strategy known as the consecutive candle version 2 or CCV2. This particular method has consistently provided us with impressive trading results and has enabled us to meet our daily profit targets with remarkable efficiency. In recent sessions, we have achieved outstanding trades, yielding positive results that have further boosted our confidence in this approach. With our Euro JPY, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY, all of them got positive results based on our trading strategy. Make sure to trade with 5 seconds candle. It is best to have this method since we are trading with quick 30-second to 1-minute duration. Our method is structured as follows. Whenever our CCV2 creates a consecutive bars from 5 consecutive bars to 10 bars, a high reversal situation will happen. Make sure to pick currencies on sideway market. Take a look at this. It creates 5 bars, and already creates a reversal pattern which creates an uptrend blue bars going up. Let's trade higher on it. There's a high chance to win with our trading method. It is okay to lose or win the trade as long as you will stick to the trading strategy. The trend goes up, hoping that we will win on this. Better to practice first on a demo account before dealing with live trading account. Trade with minimum amount per entry. Good result on that. Another good trading spot here. It already creates a 7 consecutive yellow bars downward, with a reversal shift here, creating a blue bar. Let's trade up on this. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest trading strategies like this. We also trade with other trading brokers. We may be lost with this trade. Anyway, we already got positive balance of our trades. We lose on that. Let's trade with other currency pair and wait for the right momentum to trade.